Hi, I'm Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. RPA tools. Top 31 best robotic process automation software on the market. Part 4. NICE Robotic Automation. NICE Robotic Automation is another well-known name in the RPA space. They've been named as a lead in Gartner's Magic Quadrant in 2023. One of the most interesting things about the platform is its focus on attended automation, which acts like an RPA assistant for front-end workers. While NICE offers good functionality, it has a steep learning curve, even for developers. Microsoft Power Automate. Microsoft is a monster name in the software development space. Microsoft Power Automate represents the company returning to form. Power Automate is a cloud-based RPA platform with robust AI functionality. It's fast, efficient, and easy to use, with lots of good automation features. WorkFusion. WorkFusion is a powerful automation tool that is focused on the banking and financial services sector. As such, the kinds of automation it provides are OCR and document processing, which can help reduce the regulatory burden on organizations. However, the platform is flexible enough for other uses. ZAPTEST Enterprise. ZAPTEST offers a fantastic free version. Our 2-in-1 Enterprise enables any task automation for any UI and API technology for testing and RPA implementation. Some of the best features of ZAPTEST's RPA software solution include OneScript technology, which helps to create automation across different platforms, API, and devices without the need of rewriting scripts for each of these platforms. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.